Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Pebble, the legendary smartwatch brand, is making a comeback with two new open-source smartwatches, Core 2 Duo and Core Time 2. These devices stay true to Pebble's legacy, offering e-paper displays, long battery life, and full user control. The Core 2 Duo is a budget-friendly model featuring a 1.2-inch black and white e-paper screen, a polycarbonate frame available in black or white, plus a barometer and compass. It's designed to be an upgrade to the classic Pebble 2, but better. It will be available for $149, with shipments starting in July 2025. The Core Time 2 is the premium model, featuring a 1.5-inch 64-color e-paper touchscreen, a metal frame in multiple colors, and a heart rate monitor for fitness tracking. Inspired by the Pebble Time 2, it offers more advanced features while keeping Pebble's signature efficiency and simplicity. It's priced at $225, with shipping starting in December 2025. Both models run on open-source firmware and hardware, allowing full customization and freedom from corporate control. While modern smartwatches lock users into proprietary ecosystems, Pebble's revival is a bold move towards privacy, openness, and user empowerment. Thank you for watching.